Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to drag and drop multiple apps at once on your iPhone or iPad. Thanks to the super handy drag and drop feature, arranging the home screen becomes a pretty simple affair. It not only saves your precious time, but also makes you believe that customizing the home screen is a pleasing experience. So, if you're not sure how dragging and dropping several iPhone apps at once works, this hands-on video is for you. First and foremost, you have to touch and hold on the empty area of the screen to enter the editing mode. Next up, you have to put a finger on an app icon and then use another finger to select all the apps you want to move. Yeah, at first it might seem to be a bit inconvenient task, but actually it's quite smooth sailing after you have tried it a few times. Once you have picked up all the apps, use another finger to go to the other screen through the dragging gesture. Make sure not to release your first finger that you are using to press the screen. And after you have reached the destination, you have to drop the apps by releasing the finger, and that's about it. Told you it's way more straightforward than many people think. Now that you have unlocked this cool iPhone tip, make the most of it to design the home screen to your heart's liking, and that too a lot faster. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.